Audrey.
Yeah.
Walking Dead's about to start.
Okay.
Daddy,
Who's gonna die from Negan? Daryl, Abraham, Maggie, Glenn. Who think's gonna die?
Abraham
Abraham?
or Glenn or Maggie.
Punky.
Yeah, three.
Who do you think's gonna die?
He knows nothing.
Abraham, Maggie, Glenn. Glenn?
I think Abraham, Maggie, and Glenn.
All of them?
No, I mean like one of them.
One of them? Okay.
And see what Grumpy got.
Stop.
Mommy,
Stop.
who do you think's gonna die?
Maggie.
Maggie?
Look at ask Grumpy Cat. Right there.
Well, I think Maggie's gonna die because they don't want to put another baby in the show.
And ask Grumpy Cat.
Daddy.
Grumpy Cat Pumpkin.
Daddy.
Grumpy Cat Pumpkin, who's gonna die? Well, I don't know. Maybe Abraham? Maybe.
I think Maggie has a zombie baby inside her.
Uh-oh.
I think her baby died and it's a zombie. That's why she's so
Daddy.
sick.
Look at this. We slinging sausage tonight and potatoes.
And that's the other Grumpy Cat. Where he's
Daddy,
at.
Daddy,
What?
Daddy. I want Mama die.
You want who?
Mama die.
He doesn't hold to die.
Mommy?
Mama die.
Maggie?
No, so Mama die.
Mom.
Llama? Who?
No,
Oh.
Mama die.
Mama?
The Mama die.
Daddy, look. You want? Do you want
No,
to
she wasn't saying that. What were you saying?
I said I want Mama die.
Who's that?
Mama die.
Okay.
Mama die.
Limo guy.
I want Mama die.
Alright.
Alright, we got it.
Cool story, bro.
She's making up now.
Say deuces. Bye-bye.
Deuces, bye-bye. Choose out.
From the Family Unboxing Channel,
You just set this person up.
we out. Later.